How to create TLauncher account? For that, open up any browser and search TLauncher. Go to the official tlauncher.org website. From here, if your language is selected to anything else than English, select English and click on download TL. Click on TLauncher for Mac OS. Click on allow. Once downloaded, open the folder and here you will see tlauncher.jar. Till then, go back to your browser, make it full screen and then click on sign up. Click on login and set username. After filling up all the details, click on I accept the terms and click on sign up. And here, from here, you can change your Minecraft character like uploading skills and changes to catalog. Now open up a new window and this time search Java for macOS from the official java.com account. Scroll a bit down and find the suitable macOS for downloading Java. To check your macOS, you have to click on the Apple icon in the top left corner and click on about this Mac. Here you can see the version of your macOS. Since I am macOS 15, based upon that, select the relative Java file to download it. Click on allow. Once downloaded, double click on it to open it. Click on open, click on install, enter up your Mac password, click on close. Once done, you can eject the Java installer and after that you can open up TLauncher. It will show you a pop-up since we downloaded it from TLauncher website. So for that, go to settings and here from the left menu, select privacy and security, scroll a bit down and here you will see tlauncher.jar was blocked. Click on open anyway. It will pop up a message once again. Click on open anyway. Enter up your Mac password if it asks and click on allow. Now it should open. If not, then go to the tlauncher.jar file once again and double click on it to open it. Click on OK. From here, enter up your username over here. Select the latest version. Click on accounts. Select the available accounts. You will see your username will be shown over here and click on install. If you do not see your account, you can simply type in your username and password to log into TLauncher. Once installed, you can now open it and start playing Minecraft over here. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Mac369 and hit a like.